Uplifting Serenity here, and we are doing a review for CandyGirlBritt collection. She sells lashes and lip gloss. So we're gonna see what's inside because I'm not sure. This is a mystery box. We're gonna find out. We're gonna try it on. I do have some lip gloss and a little bit of lip stain on my lips from previous encounters today. So yeah, let's get into it. So let's unbox it. This looks not cute. Oh my god. Wow. Now that's fire. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Y'all see that? Look at that. If this does not scream me, then I don't know what will. Okay. Oh, they're gel. Hold on. Cause y'all know I'm not good at this kind of stuff. Hold on, let me see. That's ill though. Wait till I can master doing my makeup. Like this is one thing that I have not learned how to do completely all the way yet, and that's to do a winged eyeliner. But watch. Just watch. Look at the designs. Comes with a fashion mask. And here we go. We on to the lippies. Right up my alley because y'all know that I love me some lip gloss, okay? And then there's some lashes here. And y'all know I love me a good lash, okay? But we're gonna do some swatches of this. So I got number 1, 2, 13, and 25. So this is my lips. I do have some leftover lip stain on my lips, so that's what that like pinkish reddish is. Oh my god. Do y'all see how crystal clear that is? And do you guys see the design on the bottle? Like, that's crazy. Oh, did y'all see that? Okay. Come on, let's get into it. This, like, this feels mad good on my lips. It feels super hydrating, and it's not sticky or like, too much. It's perfect. This one's 25. Golden, living my life like it's golden, golden, living my life like it's golden, golden. Ah. Okay, let's see. Let's make it do what it does. And let me be the first to say that I do not have a golden gloss, but now I do. And I love that iridescent look that it has, the sparkles in it. Oh my god. This one's number 2. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Like, that's crazy. Do y'all see that? I look like a Barbie doll. Oh my god. And these are like very lightly scented. But do y'all look at the little eyeliner? Like, I like this. This is bomb. We have one more lip gloss, and that is number 1. It's a shimmer gloss. This is so cute. I think the application goes on very smoothly. They don't feel very sticky or very thick. It feels like perfect hydration, and I love the colors and the compounds that she used in this. This is so cute, and I really love the bottles. Like, the bottles alone, sold. Sold. Let's look at some of these lashes. Because I do wear lashes from time to time when I have the energy for them.
So now we're going to be applying these lashes from the CandyGirlBritt collection. And I did use the magnetic eyeliner provided, goofy. And we're gonna continue to apply those lashes. Yes, I was struggling a little bit because, as I have stated before, me and eyeliner just don't mix well, and I just think that I look so cute. Like, these lashes came out to be really nice and really fluffy and really pretty on my eyes, and I definitely would recommend them. I will get better with practice, but yeah, go get yours. Do y'all see the link? Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much, Candy Girl Britt Collection. Be sure to shop with her for amazing products.